so hi, hello and welcome to the Austin vlog. I came from Cartagena yesterday, which will be my previous travel vlog, and I'm now in Austin. So I did like an hour stopover in Miami, which was a pain because you have to go through customs and everything, but anyway. And I'm here in Austin for a business retreat before going to Miami next week, so I'm going to do 2 separate vlogs. But yeah, I'm part of a mastermind where we get 4 retreats a year with my business coach, so that's what we are doing. We've already had our first one in Miami in October, and this is the second one, which is in Austin. So yeah, I'm not gonna like film the retreat, but I'm gonna film like where we're going for lunch and stuff like that, but not actually the content. But we're in an amazing house in Austin. I keep saying Austin, but like it's a mess right now, but I will do a house tour later because it's really, really lush. Sorting the bins out. And then our Uber's waiting for us. It's a RAV4, which is literally my favourite. So today is photo shoot day. I didn't even realise we had a photo shoot, so I've got like an outfit that I wouldn't usually get branding pictures in, but it's fine. Hey, good morning. This is better lighting actually, but my camera might die. Today's the second day of the retreat. Yesterday I didn't like speak or like film anything. Well, I did film, but I didn't speak, so I'm just going to put in like a collage to show you what we kind of got up to. And we went for dinner, which was what was it called? A little boxwood.
Yeah. It was amazing.
Yeah, it was really, really nice. What was I going to say? So today we're having like a photo shoot and it's the second day of the retreat. I'm a bit annoyed because I've got like this, which is my outfit that I was going to wear anyway today. But it's also that outfit I'm going to have to take pictures in, but it's not my branding colours at all and not what I'd usually like get a branding photo shoot in. But it's fine, I'm sure that they'll come out great and I'm sure I'll be happy with them. But yeah. And then we're gonna go for dinner somewhere. It's like the night that's not included, so we get to choose. So we're gonna choose somewhere in Austin, and yeah, that's kind of the lowdown. We're in the Uber, we made it on time. Literally just arrived at the house that we have the retreat at today and the photo shoot. You can already see some of the photo shoot being set up. So yeah, it's a really gorgeous house. You can actually hire this for a day, I think. But yeah, let me show you. Super cute. Beautiful. When we were like driving up, it reminded us of like the Hollywood Hills. Yeah. Cute. Oh, I love that. Our day is finished. And we are now getting ready to go out. We're just going to go to a place called South Congress, which is like apparently where like the main bit of downtown is, and we're going to find somewhere to eat. It's here. Okay, the Uber's here. I've got this like little coat jacket thing on. That's Kim's, and I'm going to get my coat because honestly, like the situation with my wardrobe because I've been traveling and then came here for the weekend is a bit of a joke. So yeah, anyway, I'll show you where we end up going. I promise I will do a house tour. So Kim's gone to the kitchen to look at all the food before she orders. Videos saying that I don't give enough detail about where I am, even though usually it's in the bio. But this is called Stella. I've ordered the lobster mac and cheese, but so far I can only see one tiny bit of lobster. Yeah. That's all of the fish. Lobster, mac and cheese.
Chicken.
Good morning. I'm getting some work done this morning. We've got to present something at the retreat today, which I completely forgot about preparing. So I'm going to be talking about ways that you can live in abundance today. So like ways that you can feel wealthy today, ways you can live in abundance without actually maybe seeing the money like physically in your bank account. Okay, so we have come to the Commodore Perry, which is where we've been having, actually this lighting is not great because the light's behind me. I was going to say, we've come to the Commodore Perry, which is where we had the like the retreat day on the first day, and then yesterday we went to a house, and today we're back at the Commodore Perry, but we thought we'd come early for brunch. So we're in this cute little room. We just appreciate how gorgeous this table colour is. Very beautiful. Okay, so I've gone for shakshuka, and then me and Kim are sharing this chorizo and hash brown. Yum.
And Kim's getting pancakes as well.
Cream butter. You're welcome, and I have the maple syrup.
Juicy Lucy.
So we've just finished the retreat officially in terms of like the day contents. We've just come back and we've actually made an executive decision to stay inside and get a takeaway. And I won't lie, I'm really, really happy with that decision. We've just thought while the sun's still out, because we've been getting, this is like the earliest, not the earliest day finish. Oh yeah, maybe it was. Anyway, the sun's still out, so we thought let's make use of the garden. I need to slow down speaking. That was one thing that I got feedback on today, and I've just noticed how fast I'm speaking. So, look how cute we're all being. Our celebratory wines to celebrate a cute retreat. I'm gonna grab my wine.
Cheers, ladies. How cute.
So it's like, what is the time? Because that time, 1848, and we're still outside. It's dark and it's cold, but it's also a vibe, so we're staying out here. I ordered some more wine on Uber Eats, and I also ordered some ice cream to make the wine ordering worthwhile. And I've just made another order on 7-Eleven for some salt and vinegar crisp. I actually have a massive order. I'm gonna show you when it comes. But yeah, it's dark, it's cold, but we're still being a vibe. Being all cute. Okay, so my food is here. They're like the small packet of salt and vinegar Lays, because I basically ordered 3 of them because I didn't know if it was a big packet, and I wanted a big packet, so that's fine. 1, 2, got some original, got some gummy worms. I've got this vanilla milk chocolate almond, and the reason that I got this is because I ordered a chocolate and milk, and they gave me the one without almonds. Bourbon beef jerky. Pickle bites. Okay, so I ordered a charcuterie board, and they gave me Lunchables. This isn't the same. Fruit. I was actually saying to you the other day, I don't want Lunchables. I know, that's why I'm laughing so much. It's just not. It's not it.
It's actually
Lunchables for everyone. Yeah, like the brand. These, because I got them in EDC, near the 7-Eleven at EDC, and they were delicious. I don't even like dessert stuff. Yeah, so I'm gonna put all my stuff over here, apart from the stuff that needs to go in the fridge. Got this, which you can literally eat in 5 minutes. It's basically like it's like a Hawaiian chicken, and we ordered it.
No.
And we basically realised we asked for asked for just vegetables. So it's technically our fault, but it was very confusing.
It is our fault.
Okay, so as promised, it's the final day of staying in this Airbnb, but I did say I was going to do a house tour. So we'll start in the room that we're in. It is a mess because we are literally packing up, but as you can see, a big bed, like ensuite dressing through there. And as you go through here, you have the living room, which is all very cute. Table over there, we've been doing some work in the evenings. Kitchen table here. Kitchen. Again, we're packing up, so we've got our supplies for the next few days. Basically, the plan is me and Kim are going to check into a hotel that's in Austin downtown, and then the next day after that we are going to like 40 minutes away. It's near some like park, and we're basically hiring this like big house to just work and do content and stuff from. So yeah. Anyway, this is the garage. I did a little workout there this morning. Oh, I need to move this ways back. Okay, and yeah, this is the garage. We've got some stuff to do for that. We need to put that away. So yeah, anyway, and then through here. It's all very cute. And we've got the bathroom, which has a sunken bath. And then this was where Tatty was in. So it's got 2 single beds, little walk-in wardrobe, yeah. And there was a double bed in there which Juliet's in. So yeah, all very perfect for us 4 girls to stay in. It was loads of room. Oh, I haven't showed you the outside bit. Okay, outside. So you can see there's the table, and then there's like 2 egg chairs over there. Today as well we're going thrift shopping, which I'm really excited for, so I'm going to vlog and take you with me for that as well. So we're now at a place called Stubbs, which is also recommended by Kasia, who lives here, my gorgeous friend. So it's a buffet, so we did manage to get in, but it's a buffet. Okay, so we just left Monkeys and I bought a denim jacket from Blood and Vintage. It says like Savage on it, but it's like in the Supreme style that is in the brand, so I thought that was quite cool. The guy from the first one said that, oh, there's a little market there, as you can see. Yeah, we're just having a little walk around like the cute little shops, the vintage shops, and then we're gonna get an Uber to One Flamingo, just a bit further away. I'm still outside one called Flamingo, and it's basically like a £1 one, like you buy by the pound. So each thing's got a different price, and you put in like how much is at the end, and then obviously it takes the total. So, oh, here's Juliet, done. It's a bit overwhelming in there. Like there was a lot. But yeah, cute little decor. And then all of these as well are like cute different shops. Okay, so we've just said goodbye to Juliet, who was gone for her flight back to England, and we've just checked into the hotel. The hotel is called East, just East Austin, I think. But it's like a quirky, like, I don't know, it's like an affordable hotel because, for instance, like, we've got a shared bathroom here. But they do have normal rooms, but it's more like, I don't know, they've just got like a budget for everyone, I guess. Anyway, so this is the room. I like the pastel colours. We've got pastel pink bed. Kim, this is cute.
Really cute.
And then these are cute as well. Kim, you get a little free bag and some free shoes.
Winning! And free robes, I think.
But they only gave us one. Yes, and yeah, these are definitely free.
They're so cute, though.
That's cool.
Yeah.
I could literally take that out for my travels. Thank you.
Okay. Merry Christmas.
And then yeah, this is like the pool. It's got a lot of communal areas.
Yeah.
Might be absolutely popping in the evening, you never know.
The bar down there looks nice as well.
The bar there looks really nice, that's where I'm going to go and work from. So I'll show you where I'm going to go and work from because I left my laptop in reception. And yeah. So now I have to go all the way back down there.
The 3 flights of stairs.
Yeah. Oh, I'll also show you later what I got from the vintage shops because I did actually buy quite a lot today.
We've got a few drinks. 1, 2, 3.
I should feel so sick that I need to go to bed.
5.
So it's the next day. I just thought before we check out of this hotel and go to the next Airbnb, I'd show you like what the hotel looks like. We've got the pool here, and then there's like a bar over there, which I presume is like seasonal. We're just being our own lobby men. True. Okay, so I know my hair's wet and I really need to brush it and put some product on it. I also need to brush my teeth. So I've checked into a place called Lago Vista or Visto. I need to double check. But we're staying in this lake house, it's just on the lake and it's got a pool and everything, so I'm gonna do a little house tour. So this is what you see as you go in. We've got the dining table, probably will eat on that one. This sofa is really nice. Sofa, TV.
My favourite area already.
And a nice kitchen. And then through here is like, oh, there's a bedroom. Okay, this is lovely. Bedroom, ensuite, oh wow. And I love how me and Kim just have this all to ourselves. Massive. Okay. Oh my gosh, so the lake is literally just there. So you obviously must get down to it that way. And then this is the pool. We won't be swimming in that, it's a bit cold. You never know. And then through here is the other room. To be fair, I'm going to use this room to like pack and sort out all my stuff. But it's got an ensuite and then it's got like a, is it called a Jack and Jill where it shares? Which goes on to this room, which is just like 2 beds. Yeah, so that's a house tour. We're going to settle in, put some stuff in the fridge. And then once I've like sorted myself out and changed, I think we're going to try and get an Uber to the local like food store, and I get Starbucks as well because I saw that was next to it. So yeah. Okay, so a bit of a food haul here because we didn't think we were going to get food, but Hugo pulled through. It must be like where I lived in Oxford where you can get Uber Eats, but you can't get Uber. So yeah, what did we get? Okay, so a bit of a food haul from CVS because you know the situation. We've got some power bowls for lunch tomorrow, ice cream bars. That's my dinner tonight. This is Kim's dinner. We're gonna have lunch now. We can share some more of that tomorrow. I needed a new deodorant. I thought, well, I'm at CVS, might as well. And I've heard great things about women using men's deodorant. Needed a brush. Yeah, it's a bit of a random shop, so at least we can eat. At least we have food. This one at the back's crazy.
I know, that one's like smudged at it. Oh my god, I love that one so much.
Hello, it is the second full day being here. We are just going to go on a walk because we've literally been working all day. It's like 4:30, but I have got so much done, so I'm really, really happy about it. It was raining this morning. We went to go on a walk this morning. We were meant to go to one of like the local parks, but we just haven't had time. And everything's kind of either like 40 minutes away, 20 minutes away. And it's more, I feel like, here for a while, whereas we literally did decide to come here just to get stuff done. And that's what we have been doing. Yes, so anyway, we're going out now because it's going to rain at 5.
Oh wow.
What?
Going to rain in 5 minutes.
No, at 5.
Oh, at 5, yeah, we're going now.
Okay, so it's the evening now. I don't know why I look really strange in this little hat thing. We've gone for, we've ordered in. So we have got some gyozas. Did take about 2 hours, but you know, what's that? Don't say that's our short. I mean, they really bigged this ribeye up. Katsu chicken looks nice, rice, kimchi. Oh, the kimchi looks good. Oh, and then the edamame beans. So that, that must have come with the katsu chicken. Okay. And then we ordered another bottle of red because you could do it where you like picked it up on the way. But we're gonna have to try and open it. And basically we realised that there were 19 crowns from yesterday that we opened with a spoon. We saw some red wine on the ceiling from we had to like jam it down. So I don't know how to do it. We should probably do it outside. We can think later how we basically got saved by this guy that we met the other night. And yeah, we were able to get home because basically Uber just doesn't exist. So we were able to get a lift off someone. Oh, good fun. And then we are in a place now that I was recommended me to my friend that lives here called Takira Much Show. It's all like pink. It's all like pink themed, as you can see. Okay, so the food is here, the drinks are here. How cute. I've gone for Paloma because it has loads of tahini on the outside. That's Kim's, my maintenance cocktail. And yeah, we've got chicken wings, like the spiciest one you could get, obviously. I've now gone for their like classic margarita. Okay, so something must be in these cocktails because I've had two and I feel pretty tipsy. And usually I am a heavyweight. I actually like to pride myself on that. It takes me a long time. Anyway, I've just ordered because it's their happy hour, mango mammy, and I asked for it on the rocks instead of frozen. So yeah. Exterior of the place. I thought it's a cute little thing. So yeah, that's cute. Okay, so just like, don't worry about how I look. I had the worst night's sleep I've had for, oh my gosh, I don't even know. I was staying at this hostel because it was just like one night called Firehouse Hostel, which was fine as a hostel, but oh my gosh, I don't know if it was the room, I don't know if it was the noise, I don't know if it was because I knew I had to get up early, but I've genuinely had probably about 40 minutes sleep when I was scheduled in 6 hours. There's this person knocking on the door at like 1 AM, obviously forgot their key or something, like banging, knocking. Ugh, it's just exhausting. Anyway, so I'm at the airport now, Austin Airport. I just got myself a hazelnut latte. I'll try a different brand than Starbucks. And I have a breakfast bar to have for breakfast, so all very interesting. But what was I going to say? Okay, so after about 100 announcements at the airport, what I was saying is that I'm going to end my Austin vlog here. And because I'm on my way to Fort Lauderdale, so I'm staying in Miami for a week, so I'm going to vlog that. I'm getting really into vlogging again. I'm really enjoying it. And I've just got so much planned this year, like every single week is somewhere different. So yeah, I'm really excited. So I'm going to end it. I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. Yeah, thank you for watching.